Welcome back Techtions. My name is Amit Agarwal. Welcome to Python Illustrator. Let's continue with the series of Python. In the earlier videos, we have seen a lot of regarding Python and we have done a lot also. I'm thankful to all the subscribers who have joined my channel and I request everyone to please like, subscribe and share so that we can reach our zenith. Now, I received a request from one of my students that he wants to understand what exactly is binary search. In the earlier videos, we have talked about linear search, right? And today, we are going to talk about binary search. So we are going to talk about binary search in Python. As we all know that we have two searching algorithms, linear search and binary search. But today we are going to focus on binary search. So binary search is one of the fastest searching algorithms. It is used to find the location of an element in a linear array. It works on the principle of divide and conquer technique. Means we divide the given array into parts and then try to conquer the element that we want to search. Note, binary search algorithms can be applied only on sorted arrays. Means we need to have the array sorted in ascending or descending order depending upon our choice, and we can find our given element, but that was not in the case of linear search. So here is a small algorithm for binary search. First of all, we have to set beginning and end. Keep that in mind. What is guys bag and end? Bag means the lower limit and end means the upper limit. That I am going to tell you. Then we have to set the middle element as bag plus end divided by 2. And then we have to check the condition if our beginning position is less than the end position and the mid element is not equals to item. Then we have to check if our item is less than the a mid. Item means the element that we have to find. Then we have to set end means the higher limit to mid minus 1, and if it is not, then we have to set the lower limit to mid plus 1. That I am going to tell you guys. You must not be able to understand what exactly I am trying to say, but meanwhile just go along with the algorithm. Now again set the limit and do check. If the beginning is greater than the end, then set LOC equals to minus 1. LOC means the location of the element that we are going to find out, else location equals to mid. And if and we conclude our algorithm. You must not be able to understand the algorithm, but guys, this algorithm is very important from exam's perspective. Okay guys. Now here are the three cases that are going to occur. Then we will work with the binary search algorithm. So binary search algorithm searches an element by comparing it with the middlemost element of the array. So keeping that thing in mind, we have three following cases. The first case is if the element being searched is found at the middlemost element, then the index is returned as we did in the algorithm. Case 2, if the element is searched is found to be greater than the middlemost element, then the search is further continued in the right sub-array of the middlemost element. Means let's say we have an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements, and the element that we want to search is greater than the middle element, then the searching will be performed in the rightmost sub-array. And if the element that is being searched is found to be smaller than the middle element, then the searching is continued in the left sub-array of the middlemost element. This iteration keeps on repeating on the sub-arrays until the desired element is found or the size of the sub-array is reduced to 0. Okay guys, so here are the cases. I hope you have understood or you have got a central idea of what exactly we are trying to say. So now let's move on to a simple example. So let's say we have an array 3, 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 60. It is almost sorted as you can see, and below than that the indexes are given. Means A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. These are all the indexes. Now let's say we have to find the 15th element. Means we have to find if in our array 15 is there. Now for begin, we have to take bag as 0 means the lower bound and as 6 means the upper bound. And then we have to compute the middle element as beginning plus end upon 2, that is 0 plus 6 upon 2, that is 3. Now here a mid means A3 is 20, which is not equals to 15, and the bag is less than end. So we can start our next iteration. Okay guys, so here was the first loop or the condition that we worked. Okay. Now step 2 says, is our A mid, that is 20, is greater than 15? Yes. So we have to reduce the value of AND equals to mid minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, because the value of mid was 3 and minus 1 becomes 2. So the value of AND becomes 2. Whereas bag remains unchanged, means the beginning value remains unchanged, that is 0. Now we compute the value of mid again, that is 0 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So here A mid, that is A1, is 10, which is not equals to 15. Again, beginning or the lower bound is greater than the upper bound. So we shall start our next iteration. Now step 3. We compute how A mid was 1, which equals to 10, and 10 is less than 15. Now the iteration will be performed in the leftmost array of the middle element. So we take bag equals to mid plus 1. Mid, the value of mid that we left was 1 over here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Where AND remains unchanged, and we left AND as 2 in the step 2. Now the value of big also becomes 2. So 2 plus 2 divided by 2 equals to 2. And at A of the second element, that is the middlemost element, we get our element. And our search terminates in success, and at index 2, our element is returned, that is 15. Okay guys, so this is the small working of our binary search algorithm, and this will come in our exam for sure. Here is a small code to implement the same that we are going to see on our IDLE. Okay. But before implementing that, I just want to request everyone to please subscribe my channel, and if you have not subscribed till now, please do subscribe that and share with the maximum students so that they can make the benefit of that. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move to our IDLE. So in order to save my time, I have just copy pasted the program over here. As you can see, it is the same program. It is the same program that we have pasted over here. Okay guys, so what the code is doing, we have taken an array of the sorted elements. Let's say we want to search is 8 is given in our array. Then we have performed the binary search function in which we have passed this array. We have passed the element to be searched. We have passed 0, which is the lower bound, and which is we have passed len, means the len function that we have talked about in our earlier video, and which is calculating the upper limit of array minus 1. That will return 0 is the lower bound, and the length of the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 elements are there. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So the upper bound is 6. Now the value that it will return will go in the variable result. How? We have to go to binary search function over here, and the parameters remain same. While low means the lower bound is less than equals to high, then we have to calculate the middle element. I hope you know how to divide the two numbers in Python. We have to follow this division operator. Now if the element of the middle element is equal to the element that we want to search, then we have to return mid, that we saw in our step. Else, if the array mid is less than x, we have to increase the lower bound. Else we have to decrease the higher bound. And if in case the element is not found, we have to return minus 1, that, or you can say the element is not found. After the successful implementation, we just check. We have to check if the result is not equals to minus 1. That means our element is in the array. Then it will print us the message, element is present at the index result, and the value it will return will come from this particular function. And if it's not, then it is going to print not found. So let's run the code. And you are able to see we are getting 8 at the index 5. We can just check it out. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. right guys? We can go for any other value also. Let's say we want to search 3, and if we save it and if we run it, we are going to get the index 0. Now what if we want to search any other number that is not in the array? So it prints not found. Okay guys, and guys, one more thing, this is the easiest code that I can show you in Python for binary search. You are not going to get it from anywhere, that's my promise. And I request you to please implement this code at your system, and do let me know in the comment section that what all problems you are facing so that we can sort it out. Okay guys, so guys, that's all from now from this video. I hope you have understood what is binary search, that is purely based on divide and conquer, and I hope that you will implement this video at your system. And please do subscribe Python Assistant for further updates. So guys, thank you very much.